What's good, y'all? What's happening, man? It's FLYEERRKicks. And welcome back to the channel. And if this is your first time here, man, I appreciate you for stopping by. Feel free to hit that subscribe button, man. Join that freaking Flyers Club. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. Drop a like, drop a comment if you like the content. And last but not least, man, I got my IG name listed right here down below. Head over to IG, give me a follow, let's interact on there as well. And let's jump right into it, man. Y'all seen the title, thumbnail, blah, 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 all that good stuff, man. This is the one we've been waiting for. This is the one I've been waiting for. I can speak for myself, man. You see those A's on the top of that box. Upside down, right side up, the FLYEERR A's. Got the metallic style Jordan pair right there in that classic FLYEERR maroonish wine color that they always use. Same thing on this side with the one hole in the box. And the tag on this joint reads Air Jordan 5 Retro SP, black, burgundy, crush, and black. Size 10, man. Unfortunately, I took the L, but my brother was able to hit on the raffle. Got his pair in yesterday for the win, man. FLYEERR on the inside of the box with the Jordan 5. And something crazy, bro. Like, he got his pair yesterday, and then today he got his groceries delivered. He goes outside to grab his groceries. He has another pair of FLYEERR 5s, two size 10. So somebody out there probably missing a size 10. My brother got two of them, so it's a dub over here, man. It's a dub. Buy one, get one, man. We'll take it all day. But let's check these joints out. Now here we have the FLYEERR Air Jordan 5 in the Dusk colorway, man. I've been waiting on these for the longest. My second favorite shoe of all time is the black metallic 5. This is giving like that aged black metallic 5. Almost like the off-white 5 kind of vibes, man. But we got them. Not in my size, not yet. But we got them. Let's check them out. Let's see how we feeling about these joints. Now starting with the front of the shoe, man, as you can see, this joint comes laced in the whole upper with that black low nubuck and classic metallic Jordan 5 style, man. That low black suede. You can see it kind of has like the scars that comes with this low black nubuck, man. It's like my least favorite detail about this shoe, and like bread 4s and black metallic 5s, but I still love this shoe a whole lot. But it's in a black nubuck, some pretty soft material, but nothing too brushy, nothing really back and forth going. Getting to the side of the shoe, man, as you can see, it does have those FLYEERR A's in there. Right side up, upside down, just like the box and the paper. They did the same thing on the white or the gray pair as well. I like that detail a lot. Getting to the back of the shoe, it has a 23 stitched in true Jordan 5 fashion. The back of the shoe with the Nike Air embroidered on the heel. This isn't a 3D like bubble style embroidery. You can see it kind of poke out from the side. But it does have some really nice embroidery back there with the 3D black hit, black on black hit. I do wish they would have gave us a little color instead of the black on black stitching here and on the side. But still a good look for sure. Getting to the side of the shoe, man, they do have the A's going across the caging here as well. And getting back to the front, it does have the black nubuck, like I said earlier. Now getting to those laces, it does come factory installed with the black laces. The FLYEERR A is going up the caging of the tongue. It has the aged Jordan 5 lace lock, matching the netting and the outsole as well. And this left shoe has the FLYEERR A on the tongue with the metallic 3M tongue in true Jordan 5 fashion, man. This is like the FLYEERR version of a black metallic 5, man. That's my favorite, second favorite shoe behind the bread one. This is a cop, bro. I gotta get that size 12. I can't pay $550 and $600 for them. But if it come down, man, I might have a little trade bait for y'all, man. If you got a size 12, you want to show me some love, I'm begging, bro. I ain't never asked y'all or asked anybody for nothing on a YouTube video. If you got a size 12, even 11 and a half, man, you trying to show some love this way, hit me. Let's work out a deal for sure. Now get into that midsole, man. All black midsole with the maroon burgundy crushed shark teeth. And they added the FLYEERR hit inside of the air bubble, which is a really dope touch. I've never seen this on any kind of Jordan 5 or Jordan 3, anything like an air bubble. That's a really nice touch to me, super dope. And get into the outsole, man. It does have the black Nike hit right here on the outsole. And it has the aged gel outsole as well, man, with the yellow Jumpman on the forefront of the foot, man. Super dope, man. I love this shoe so much, and I even just got it, but I still love it already. Now, one thing that is a little different between this shoe and a regular Jordan 5, they reduced the padding and the bubbles going on the side of the shoe, but it's still stiff. It's not like the off-white 5 where it's like flimsy and just foam. They reduced the padding, but the material and the stitching still holds it together, so it's still firm, still gives you that Jordan 5 feel, but not as bulky around the ankle collar. But leave me a quick comment down below. Let me know how you're feeling about these joints so far. Let's check out this right shoe and check out these extra details. Now here we are with the right shoe, man, just the same as the left. Has that black nubuck, a little scarring, but nothing too bad on this shoe. Side of the shoe just the same with the FLYEERR hits in the cage. FLYEERR hit here in the air bubble. All black midsole with the burgundy crush, shark teeth. Has that black 23 embroidered into the side. The black bubble print here on the back with the Nike Air, man. Really nice touch there. I love the thick embroidered double print here. I wish they would have went with maroon back here, or maybe even silver. But it is what it is. They went the FLYEERR way. They did it their way. I'm not mad at it at all. Same thing on the inside of the shoe, man. All black with the FLYEERR A caging. Getting back to that midsole, all black. FLYEERR bubble again. And they do have the aged outsole black and aged yellow. And it has the FLYEERR A on the right foot on the forefront. And then on the tongue on this one, it has the Jumpman sign. Now on the inside of the right shoe, it does have Jordan's signature back there behind the tongue. And on the inside of the left shoe, it has the FLYEERR text logo stitched on the back, man. Super dope details. I'm loving this shoe, bro. And another detail I want to point out was the FLYEERR A's that are stitched on in the back of the tongue. It has that burgundy crush color. You can see those A's kind of pressed on there. And also going across the entire sock line, it has the FLYEERR A's just right side up, upside down, in the little monogram style print that they always do, but it's going throughout the whole interior of the shoe, all the way down the tongue. The inside of the shoe, it's like a satin-ish feeling insole with the Nike Air embroidered in. I don't want to take this one out, but it is a black insole, white Nike Air embroidered in, satin-ish feel, bro. Really nice touch there. These definitely gonna feel good on feet, bro. Jordan 5s are super comfortable, got a wide toe box, so you can wear these joints all day, man, and still feel comfortable. Now, as far as extras, I told y'all they came with black laces factory installed, but they also came with the extra cell laces and, of course, the extra white laces. Now, they are trying to get you to put in the white laces. I'm not gonna say trying to get you to put them in, but Michael Jordan infamously wore white laces inside of his black metallic 5s. I'll drop a picture here, but if it's me and I get that size 12, I'm definitely going with the cream laces. It just matches the aging on this cage here, and it matches the aging on the outsole. So for me, it'll probably be cream, white, and then black will be my order of like choice, but you can't go wrong with either one. The solid black makes your shoe really sleek. You can wear it with anything. The white adds a pop of color, even though there isn't any white on the shoe. And then the aged, like sail looking laces, man, it matches the aged look of the shoe, and it brings everything together a lot better to me, in my opinion. But you can't go wrong with either one. You're gonna be fly for sure either way. Now my brother was able to get these for retail, like I said, and retail was $265 on a raffle, man. It was $225 plus 20 for shipping, like another 20 for tax, bro. So we're here in Texas, $265 out the door. And resale prices are a little crazy on these, man. On this size 10 in particular, it's about around $350, but it seems like every other size is $400, $450, even $500 and $600. It's really crazy. But FLYEERR hasn't shipped out a ton of these black pairs just yet. And so we kind of have to wait and see where the market kind of lands. I'm not going to pull the trigger too early, and I wouldn't suggest you pull the trigger early as well. Unless you're a size 10 and you're paying at $350 and under tag, that's kind of like the aim range that I'm trying to find them for. It may or may not happen, but I wouldn't say pull the trigger just yet as far as resale, man. These joints just dropped last week. You're going to have a lot of pairs shipping out from FLYEERR. So we'll see what prices do soon, man. Jordan 5s aren't just this super duper loved model. So hopefully, man, hopefully resale drops on these. I'm able to grab them for a pretty decent price or a decent trade or something like that. But prices are up there right now. You make your own decision. If you got the bread like that, do your thing. But I'm personally gonna wait it out. See if I can find me a deal, man. See if I can find me a trade. Now, as far as quality and quality control on this shoe, QC is pretty good, man. There aren't any errors on the shoe per se. All the stitching is there and everything like that. The quality of the shoe is good. They got some really nice laces. It comes with 3 sets of laces. The lace locks and everything, they really did really good job on the detailing with the aging. But you do get some scarring on this low black nubuck, and you kind of get that on any pair of nubuck shoes, whether it's a black metallic 5, playoff 14, playoff 8, a bread 4. You're kind of gonna get that scarring, and you can see some of that just going across the toe box. You can see like those little light spots. Nothing too bad. It's not gonna deter me from buying a pair unless it's like super duper crazy. But I would say if you're buying these from someone not in person, get some good pictures and make sure you're okay with the scarring, because you're pretty much gonna get some for sure. Now these pairs are allegedly an FLYEERR exclusive. Hopefully we get a drop on sneakers, but it's not looking good for us right now, man. So we're gonna pray we get a drop on sneakers. If not, I'm going to resale route, man. I usually don't pay resale for shoes, but for a black metallic 5, I will pay resale for my black off-white 5. That's just one of the shoes that I gotta have, man. And this is another one. I love the black metallic 5. Any black metallic 5 style shoe, it's right on my alley, man. I gotta go ahead and grab this joint. But overall, man, this about wraps it up for this video. Just want to give you guys a quick unboxing and review of this FLYEERR 5 in the black Dusk colorway, man. My favorite of the pack, hands down. A lot of people are trying to hype up that light pair, that gray pair. And don't get me wrong, it is super clean, but you can't go wrong with a classic or a classic inspired Jordan 5, man. And this one does it for me for sure, hands down. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know which one you like better. Is it the Dusk pair? Is it the Dawn pair? The black or the gray? Let me know how you feeling about this one in particular, man. Is it a cop, a drop? You dripping, flipping, skipping? Let me know down below, man. To me, this is a drip, drip, drip all day. I understand the people that are gonna flip, man. You see the price tag. I feel it. I'm not mad at you, bro. But to me, if I get this in my size, it's a drip, no question, man. Let me know how you feel. But like I said, it's gonna wrap it up for this one. Until next time on the next video, we got the black FLYEERR 5, man, in the Dawn colorway. Peace.